So you've got a guest list with around 100 adults and just one or two kids on it. You love the idea of an adults only wedding, the vibe, the luxury, the peace and quiet, but you also really want those few kiddos to be there. Maybe it's your niece, nephew, or even your own child. So what do you do? How do you handle this? I'm not here to suggest cutting them from the list. That's not the answer. At Vacationeeze, the destination wedding travel agency that I run, we specialize in exactly these types of scenarios. We often build room blocks across sister resorts, one adults only, one family friendly that sit right next to each other. Many of these resorts allow adults to move freely between properties while still giving families a convenient place to stay with the kids. So two quick but important caveats that I need to mention. So first is if kids are attending your wedding events, most resorts require you to hold the ceremony and reception on the family-friendly side of that resort. Second is you'll generally need to stay at the same resort where your wedding is taking place. So if it's taking place on the family-friendly side, your room will likely need to be on that family-friendly side. So with that in mind, here are 6 fantastic resort pairings that are perfect for weddings with mostly adults and just a few kids. So first up is Generations Riviera Maya and Dorado Royale. These two sister properties sit side by side. Generations is family friendly. Dorado Royale is adults only. They're both upscale with lush landscaping and beachfront access. Generations is small and doesn't have some of the kid-friendly amenities like a water park that other larger resorts have. Dorado Royale is elegant and known for gourmet food, their swim-up suites, and open-air restaurants. You can host your wedding on the Generation side, and interestingly, the most popular venues actually sit right between the Generations and Dorado side, like their overwater pier, like their rooftop, and their beachfront chapel. While most guests stay next door and enjoy the elevated adults-only experience, again, at the Dorado side. Second on the list is Dreams Playa Mujeres and Secrets Playa Mujeres. So these are located just north of Cancun. These properties share amenities, restaurants, and golf course access. Secrets Playa Mujeres is romantic and quiet with its own adults-only pools and beach areas. Guests here can access everything at Dreams, but not necessarily vice versa. So when I'm publishing this video in August of 2025, Secrets is undergoing a massive renovation that's going to transform the property. So you can hold your ceremony at Dreams, at their overwater platform or beachfront, and let the adults sneak away to Secrets for downtime, spa treatment, and cocktails. Next on the list is Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres and TRS Coral. These connected resorts in Playa Mujeres offer a stylish, modern setting with tons of venues and experiences. TRS Coral is sleek and luxurious with butler service, high-end restaurants, and no kids in sight. TRS guests have full access to Grand Palladium, so you can hold your wedding at the beach deck or any number of their gorgeous wedding venues and then retreat to TRS for the after party. Next is Hyatt Ziva Cancun and their Turquoise Tower. So technically this is one resort, but Turquoise is the adults only VIP section of Hyatt Ziva Cancun. It's a hotel within a hotel model that works really beautifully for mixed groups. So Turquoise offers private check-in, an adults-only rooftop infinity pool, and exclusive access to high-end dining. You can host your ceremony at the iconic cliffside gazebo with sweeping ocean views, and your guests can choose whether to stay in the lively Ziva section or the elevated Turquoise section. Next on the list is Hard Rock Riviera Maya and the Heavens section. So similar to before, this is Hard Rock splits its property into 2 distinct sides. The main family-friendly side of the resort and the much smaller adults-only Heaven section. Heaven has its own adults-only beach club, nightclub, and upscale restaurants. It's vibrant, it's fun, and it's really nice and luxurious. Hard Rock Riviera Maya has a ton of gorgeous wedding venues, including the beach, terraces, gazebos, and more that offer flexible ceremony options throughout the property. Heaven guests can access the full property without issue. Next up is Hyatt Ziva and Zilara Cap Cana. So these are located in Cap Cana, just outside of Punta Cana. This resort duo offers high-end luxury with beautiful design and top-tier service. Zilara Cap Cana has gorgeous suites, a spa-worthy pool scene, and fine dining, all kid-free. So you'll need to hold your events on the Hyatt Ziva side, but the beach and ceremony locations are amazingly stunning. Think palm-fringed ocean views, dramatic terraces, and golden hour receptions. Weddings like this, where it's mostly adults, but a few important kids in the mix, don't have to be complicated. You don't need to sacrifice style, serenity, or convenience for you or your guests. And at Vacationeeze, we really help you find the perfect resort pairing, manage the logistics, and make sure everyone from your rowdy college friends to your favorite 3-year-old niece has an incredible time. So reach out to our team today and let's build a wedding experience that works for everyone on your guest list.